Welcome to Platinum Passport, your guide to the world's most captivating destinations and unforgettable experiences. Just saying the name Iceland conjures up images of glaciers, volcanoes, and maybe even a Viking or two. But let me tell you, this place is full of surprises. Like, did you know they have a word for elf church? Apparently, you don't want to go moving any rocks around those. You might just upset a hidden resident. That's Iceland for you, a land where ancient folklore blends seamlessly with modern life. Iceland is like that friend who invites you over for a casual barbecue and then surprises you with a hidden talent show in their basement. Get ready to discover the heart and soul of Iceland, from its quirky customs and culinary delights to its breathtaking scenery and the unforgettable experiences that await you around every corner. A quick shout out to our sponsor. This channel will provide financial insights where wealth accumulation meets practical advice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Platinum Passport and hit the notification bell. Alright, let's talk about food, people. And no, I'm not talking about fermented shark. While that might be the first thing that pops into your head when you think of Icelandic cuisine, trust me, there's so much more to it than that. Think fresh, flavorful, and surprisingly diverse. First up, the seafood. I'm talking melt-in-your-mouth fresh, caught that day and prepared with simple, delicious flavors. Whether it's pan-fried Arctic char, succulent langoustine, or a hearty bowl of fish stew, your taste buds are in for a treat. And don't even get me started on the Icelandic hot dogs. These babies are legendary, topped with everything from crispy fried onions to sweet brown mustard. And let's not forget about the skyer. This thick, creamy yogurt is a staple in the Icelandic diet, and for good reason. Now, let's dive into the fun stuff. Icelandic traditions. These guys have some interesting customs, let me tell you. Take, for example, the Yule lads. These 13 mischievous trolls come down from the mountains in the 13 days leading up to Christmas, leaving gifts for well-behaved children and rotten potatoes for the naughty ones. And then there's the language. Icelandic is considered one of the oldest languages in the world, and let's just say it doesn't roll off the tongue easily. But perhaps the most endearing thing about Icelanders is their love of storytelling. Now, you might be thinking Iceland, frozen? The people must be as cold as the weather, but let me tell you, nothing could be further from the truth. Icelanders are some of the warmest, friendliest people you'll ever meet. They're always happy to help, always up for a chat, and they have a great sense of humor. Whatever the reason, Icelanders have this incredible ability to make you feel welcome and at ease, like you're part of the family. I remember once I was driving through the countryside and got a flat tire, but then, out of nowhere, this car pulled up, and this lovely Icelandic couple hopped out. Section 5, Reykjavik, a city pulsating with life. Alright, let's head to the capital city, Reykjavik. This vibrant city is a feast for the senses, with its colorful buildings, quirky street art, and a buzzing nightlife. Don't let the small size fool you. This city is bursting with energy. Start your adventure by strolling down Laugavegur Street, the main shopping street, packed with designer boutiques, cozy cafes, and bookshops galore. And speaking of unique, be sure to check out the Harpa Concert Hall. This architectural masterpiece is a sight to behold, with its shimmering glass facade reflecting the sky and the sea. And when you're ready to refuel, Reykjavik has you covered. Section 6. The Blue Lagoon Nature Spa Retreat. Now let's talk about relaxation, Icelandic style. I'm talking about the Blue Lagoon, Iceland's most iconic geothermal spa. Imagine this. You're surrounded by black lava fields, the air is crisp and clean, and you're soaking in a pool of milky blue geothermally heated water. The water is rich in minerals like silica and sulfur, which are said to do wonders for your skin. But the Blue Lagoon is more than just a spa, it's an experience. Section 7, the Northern Lights, a celestial ballet. Okay folks, get ready for a truly magical experience, the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. Imagine this, a dark, clear night, millions of stars twinkling above, and suddenly, streaks of green, purple, and pink dance across the sky. It's like a celestial ballet, a symphony of light and color that will leave you breathless. The best time to catch this natural spectacle is during the winter months, from September to April, when the nights are long and dark. But be warned, the Northern Lights are notoriously elusive. Section 8. The Golden Circle, a journey through Iceland's heart. Now let's hit the road and explore the Golden Circle, one of Iceland's most popular tourist routes. This scenic loop will take you past some of the country's most iconic natural wonders, from cascading waterfalls to erupting geysers. First stop, Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Not only is it a place of stunning natural beauty, but it's also where the Icelandic Parliament was founded in 930 AD. Next up, the Geysir geothermal area, where you can witness the Stroker geyser erupt every few minutes, shooting a jet of boiling water high into the air. And finally, no trip to the Golden Circle is complete without a visit to Gullfoss, the Golden Waterfall. Section 9. Exploring Iceland's untamed wilderness. Now, for those who like to venture off the beaten path, Iceland offers a plethora of opportunities to immerse yourself in its untamed wilderness. From hiking across glaciers to exploring ice caves, get ready to embrace your inner adventurer. One of the most unforgettable experiences you can have is exploring an ice cave. Imagine this, you're surrounded by walls of ice, shimmering in shades of blue, green and white. For the truly adventurous, there's glacier hiking. Strap on your crampons and grab your ice axe as you trek across these frozen giants. And let's not forget about the wildlife. Keep an eye out for puffins nesting on the cliffs, seals basking in the sun, and maybe even a whale or two breaching the surface of the ocean. Section 10. Practical tips for your Icelandic escapade. Alright, before you pack your bags and hop on that plane to Iceland, let's go over a few practical tips to make your trip as smooth as possible. First things first, the currency. They use the Icelandic krona, ISK, here, so make sure you have some local currency on hand. Most places also accept credit cards, but it's always good to have some cash for smaller purchases or in case you find yourself in a remote area. Now let's talk about the weather. Iceland's weather is notoriously unpredictable, so be prepared for anything. Pack layers, including a waterproof and windproof outer layer, even if you're visiting during the summer months. Section 11. Iceland, an experience that will stay with you. Well, folks, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of Iceland, from its quirky customs and culinary delights to its breathtaking scenery and unforgettable experiences. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book that flight, and get ready to experience the magic of Iceland for yourself. Shout out to our incredible sponsor, 10 Billion Club. We're excited to bring you Financial Insights, the channel where wealth accumulation meets practical advice. Thanks to the support of 10 Billion Club, we're able to provide you with the best tips, strategies, and insights to help you navigate the world of finance and build your wealth. Stay tuned for more expert advice and join us on this journey to financial success. I hope that you enjoyed traveling to Iceland. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Platinum Passport and hit the notification bell.